Here I will create a new program where function for multiple value collection and display we would be doing, and we'll see the power of the functions which, when multiple reference variables are passed, can be modified within a function, and then we can actually collect multiple values and then finally display those values using different function. So multiple functions can operate on the same values, same data values in a location which is addressable by multiple places, multiple procedures. This is the framework which I will actually save as now func6.cpp. Okay, now we'll write that function. What we'll do, we are collecting name of a person, so let it be up to 40 characters, and we'll be collecting age of a person, which I am right now taking as the wholesome age, that means only integer age. Okay, and we'll simply write a function which can collect data, name and age, and we'll write a function to show data, and we'll show data name and age only. Okay, these two functions will be writing, since they are not returning anything, we'll write as void. Void means nothing is being returned. Collect data is the function name, and the first thing is character array, so we'll pass as character. Say this name we'll keep as name, because here we can change it, and this size also we can write here. Then we'll pass this array is always passed as a reference, but since we want to pass this integer also as a reference, so we'll give address of mark. The reference passing has been done for age also. Now we'll write for collect data, cout, give name, and we'll write like this. And here we'll, instead of using just cn, we'll use cin.getLine, so that we can collect name with spaces as well, and whatever this name has been passed up to maximum of this array size of name we can collect. We'll also collect for give age, right? And age is a simple integer, so we can simply collect it as age. But here reference has been passed, that means the value which is here, the same would be modified. Just we'll write one more function quickly. Void show data. It is simple because both things are reference, so we can copy this and we'll be using this here, because this referring to whatever we have declared in main. That's what this reference means. And we'll simply cout here name. So this we can denote directly like this, and we'll cout age as well, and L. Actually, using this only, we refer to the first member of the array, and when we refer to the first member of array, the cout is actually able to pick till end of the array until the null character it finds, and null character is automatically put when we get line. Okay, when you use getLine method of cin. So this show data has occurred here. Now we should definitely write the prototype here. Both are void type, collect data, and char array has been passed here. So we'll write char array, and since integer reference has been passed, we write like this. And this is also same, only different is name of the function. So we can quickly do it like this. So now we have actually just declared values in the main, which will be filled by collect data function and then displayed by show data function. And that's how multiple values can be collected and displayed. This is one of the powers of writing functions and then passing things in parameters. Let us build and run this. Give name. Say I'll give my name. I'll give my age. So it has correctly shown that. But remember this I am showing using two different functions. First function is to, this area is actually by collect data and this area is by show data. Okay. So the great uses of function is that it can operate by reference also, and with using reference I can operate on multiple variables at a time, which are of different data types. See, if I pass array only and all variables in array, they have to be of same data type. But here I am operating on different data types. Passing reference using this method or passing array itself, because arrays are passed by reference. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.